Guys, good morning all. I shared my screen. Can one confirm you can see my screen, right? Guys, am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Okay, thanks for confirming. Uh, yeah, I have uploaded the October 16th zip file. Okay, at ECMAScript. So these are all again prerequisites for React.js. Okay, so I could see very less people was attended today. So please update your friends. Uh, uh, good now. I have shared my screen. I hope you guys are able to see the screen. So what I was saying, yeah, these four topics are very important and are the prerequisites for the React. So please ask your friends to revise the session.
Your
Okay.
voice is breaking.
Uh, uh, yeah, I think yeah.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, man. It's breaking. Wait, I was changing, shifting to other network. Wait. Am I audible now?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
okay,
sir.
sir.
This Beyond call, uh, for some reason, my UPS was not working. I'll just allow me 1 minute. I'll fix it. Just be on call, please.
Hello, Rohit.
Uh, Guys, thanks for uh, being in a call. Back, shared my screen. Can one confirm you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Uh, so guys, as you know, you guys are requested. There's a clarification doubt. I mean, clarification session. Maybe I was planning tomorrow. Is it okay at evening around 7 or 6? Is it okay? Only for
Okay.
doubts,
Okay.
no concepts. Everyone, please confirm, guys. Around 6 to 7 hours planning a session.
Okay,
Is it
sir.
okay? Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, so I'll be taking a new folder again. So do not miss anything. So I'll show you what is timer function. There are two timer functions are there in JavaScript. I'll tell you the reason why they are called, timer functions now. Okay, so Let's write a basic template HTML code. Let's write a script tag. Okay. Something timer functions. So what is meant by callback function? Before I want to discuss timer, you should know what is callback. What is callback function? Guys, what is callback function? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. At least any hint, what is callback?
So if a object is using multiple times,
No. That's call bind apply. Okay. I'm asking. Okay, no worries.
Argument to other functions.
Right, nice. So let's say I have a function one. Okay, I have a function one, and it is doing some action. Let's say this is something action one it is doing. So this is a function one, and yeah, I'll be creating one more function. The function name is something two, and it is doing some action too. And someone has muted. Venkatesh, can you comment, please? Thank you. So guys, I created two functions here. Okay, the function one is doing some action and function two doing some action too. Now, if you see here, line number 19, I was calling two function. So this two function gets called, correct? But we in JavaScript, we have a concept that we can pass a function as an argument to another function, right? That's how, we have to say callback. Now in two, you can pass a function called one as an argument. Okay. Now this one will become, a callback. Okay. The one will become, a callback, and this callback you can call it. Now, whenever you run this, so two is the original function name and one is a parameter, right? It's an actual function name, but it's a formal name is something callback. Now, first action two, will be printed, then your callback, nothing but action one will be executed. And here there are some lot of forms I have explained, hope you recall. So you can directly give this definition here instead of writing this. Yeah, directly you can give this definition here like this. Maybe I can write the short form here. You remember P A F, right? The shortcut I give it, correct? And in between, you can write this logic directly. So this is also a one more form to write the callback, right? There is also one more way, to write the callback. Now, if you run the code also, it will give, same output. Let's run it. Yeah, in the console, you can see the output. See first action two, then action one gets executed. Okay. So the reason guys why I'm explaining again the callback, both timer functions are callbacks. Both, I mean, whatever the two functions are there, I was explaining today, set timeout and set interval. Both are callbacks only. So you should not surprise by seeing the code. Now focus your eyes on line number 15. Two is a function taking argument as a callback. Simple. Two is a function taking argument as another function definition. Okay. Now let's talk about the timer functions now. So the timer function, let me explain first of all something. Set timeout. Set timeout is a function like your two. Okay, like your two. Now, what your set timeout, what it will do? It will take two arguments, guys. It will take two arguments, arg1 and arg2. First, let me what is arg1 and arg2. arg1 is a function. Okay, arg1 is a one function definition. arg1 is your function definition. arg2, your time, guys. Your time. So let me give something, 1000. Guys, we know 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, correct? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, right? 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. Okay, 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. Now, the set time is a one function in JavaScript, ready-made function in JavaScript, which will take two arguments. First argument is callback, first argument is a callback, nothing but a function definition. Second argument is, a time in milliseconds, guys. Okay. Now, sir, what the set timeout will do? Okay. What it will do now? Now, what is the time I give in 1 second, right? After exactly 1 second, this function gets called, guys. That's it. Don't much think. I'll repeat again one more time. What set timeout will do is it has two arguments. Okay, argument one is one function one function definition. Argument two is a time interval. Now, what exactly set timeout will do is it will wait for this time. Let's say if I pass 3, or let's say 3 into 1, nothing but 3 seconds. Okay, so what set timeout will do? It will wait for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, this function gets called, guys. That's it. So I'll run it and I'll show you now. I'm running the code. Focus your eyes on console now. Let me run it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, see guys. This is what will happen. Now if you pass 5, okay, save and run, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Does that make sense? Set timeout will do? Confirm the room, please. Guys.
One argument must be time, sir.
Yes, 2 arguments. So set timeout will take 2 arguments, man. Okay. Maybe I can show you one more time quickly. Set timeout. Okay, this is a one function. This is one, the function here. So it will take 2 arguments. Argument one is a function definition. Okay, a function definition, nothing but a callback. Second parameter should be, a time in milliseconds. Time in milliseconds. Sense, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No hiccups, right? I'll explain you one use case. Once you install WhatsApp, okay, or any application take in your mobile, after your installation is done, when you open it, it will take some time to load, right? Initially. After that, you'll get, a message something, welcome to WhatsApp or welcome to Insta. Kind of message you will get. So initially it will take at least 5 to 10 seconds to, capture your details or do some internal setup. Then after exactly some time interval, you'll get that message. So that's, the set timeout will do generally. Okay. Now, similarly, guys, I have one more function. The function name is set interval. Same syntax. Okay. It is also take 2 arguments. Argument one is callback. Argument two, time in milliseconds. Same syntax. The dependency is set timeout, wait for this time, okay, and then call this callback. What set interval will do is it will call this function, set interval, call this function every time, whatever the time you mention here, every time. It is nothing but, a looping. Let's say if I say 2 seconds, for every 2 seconds, this will be called, guys, for every 2 seconds. Okay, if I pass 5, for every 5 seconds, this callback gets called. That's it. That is a difference, guys. Okay, so let's keep this function as it is. Let's quickly take one more example. And let me change this to something, set interval. I'll be using this in React. Okay, so business use cases are there to want to explain you. So guys, now if you see, let's pass 3, nothing but, as per our description, for every 3 seconds, this function will gets called every time. Okay, so let me run this. Yeah, let's run this. Guys, here you can see on the console. Yeah, first 3 seconds, it will execute at one time. Yeah, see guys, you're getting the number 2, 3, nothing but, yeah, it's always, calling guys. For every 3 seconds, the same function gets called. Does that make sense, everyone? What the set interval doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can show you an example here. I mean, the real-time use case. So what I did, guys, here. Hey, line number 11, what I did?
And
One span
And tags with
taken, the
ID.
ID span. Line number 13, what I did? You know this concept. Don't surprise me. What is it? What new keyword will do?
will
Creating
allocate
data.
memory.
Object. It will create a new object. Now, what is the constructor I return? Date, no? So you can say, sir, it will return a date object. Clear? Guys, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I was doing, this is your callback, right? Guys, this is your callback, right? So inside this callback, what I was doing, document dot get element by ID. The ID is span1 dot inner HTML is equal to, I was giving the today date. Maybe I can show you this code, what I was doing. See guys, what setEnter will do now? Okay, it will, first argument is what? Your function. Second argument is, a time. Now I'll be giving something, one only. Nothing but what it will do? Hey, what it will do?
In 1 second, it will.
It will
For
call
every
by
1 second,
every second.
for every 1 second, this logic is executed simply, right? For every 1 second. And what is this logic is doing? It's taking your span and filling with the today date. Okay. Let's see guys what's happening. Let's see what's happening in the browser. Yeah, let me zoom it. Let me zoom it. Ah, 1 second. Now if you see the time, why it is not refreshing, buddy? Wait. So this is the time is 8:22. When is it very less time? Let's take 2. As per my expectation, for every 2 seconds it has to run. Right. Yeah. 8:22, 43. Why it is blocking? Wait. Let's start the code freshly. This is my span. I'm taking a span. National equal to I was writing something today time. So for every 2 seconds, the expectation of this logic has to be executed. Let's run it one more time. No, I think something was breaking here because the expectation was this logic has to, it has to show the live time. Live time it has to show somehow. Let me see any console logs. No, I think I have some browser issues. Maybe guys I have some browser issues. Okay, you can try guys this piece of logic. So what it will do, it will show live time for every 2 seconds. Your time gets updated guys. Maybe let me do this. I was suspecting this could be a task. This is one line, right? If it is a one line, flower base are optional, correct? Now let me take a flower base. Now let's call this here. I was suspecting this could be a bug. Let's see. Yeah, guys, this could be a bug. See, let me zoom it. 1 second. Yeah, guys, if you see now, see the time. Okay, 10 every 2 seconds. It's updating. See, 49, 51, 53. Earlier, the bad logic what I written. This due date I was written outside the set interval. So it will take only the first time, and that time will be displaying. But now line number 15, every time I'm fetching the latest date and I was printing on the span. Makes sense? Line number 15, 16. Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. So I think you're not surprised, right? So the first parameter is the function definition. Second parameter is your time. First parameter, you have to write a one function and write some logic in it. So that logic always, continuously executed, whatever the time interval that you mentioned here. Okay. So guys, that's all about your second terminal, and the best example, the live example is this one only. I just now explaining a live timer. Okay, right. I think I'm done with this portion. What is it? Go back. So guys, I'm done with this timer function. Let's start discuss something about a important concept. The strict mode. So guys, what generally a strict mode in the sense, give some heads up. What is the strict? In a general college point of view, also you can think. If it is a strict college, then the timings, right? Then everything they follow very strictly, correct? In a general use case. Similarly, if we take a small JavaScript example, 1 second. I'll go with this example. X is equal to 100. I was printing X. Guys, is this code will work? If I print, is this code will work?
Yes, sir. It is 100.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why this code will work? Because X is not dealing with your let or var or constant keyword, right? How it will work? You understood the question? Guys, as you said, the answer will be it will work. So JavaScript will not to follow any strict rules initially. Initial JavaScript.
Dynamic type.
Dynamic typing it will take. So what I was saying, not only this case, there are a lot of the loopholes are there in JavaScript. I mean, it will not follow any strict rules. But once they introduce a concept, something a strict mode in JavaScript. Okay, so actually you have to write this kind of code. Okay, you have to write something this kind of code. Yeah, this kind of, well, one line you have to add it. Line number 1. Yes, line number 1. See what I written in double quotes. I written something use strict. So as soon as
Use it.
you correct, so it will follow some strict rules, guys. Use strict in the sense JavaScript will not going to be do any loopholes now. It will follow some strict rules. Now let's run the code. Yeah, guys, you can see something one error. So it's clearly saying that you have not defined with either let or var or constant. It's clearly showing you the error. Does that make sense? A best example to you tell what is strict mode. Not only this, I'll go with a few more examples now. But you understood, right? What strict mode will do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So maybe I can spend some time here to understand what is strict mode. See, guys, the definition of strict mode. Strict mode in JavaScript is a way to make your code more secure, clean by enforcing some stricter rules, guys. Okay, make your code more secure, clean by enforcing some rules. So how you can make your code into strict mode? Simply add this line. Just write use strict in double quotes. Does that make sense? Up to here? Guys, make sense up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, and you can use this strict mode, guys, for whole file. That is what I have explained. You can use your strict mode for whole entire your JavaScript file. And if you have to write first line. That's what I did. That's what I did. But sir, I don't need the strict mode for entire, a JavaScript code. I need for, as only a specific function. Okay, I need, I need for only, a specific function only like this. Now, this case, your strict mode will be work for only this function, not entire file. You got the differences? Hey guys, you got the differences? How many ways you can use strict mode? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So strict mode can be applied in 2 ways. Either you can keep it in a line number one. If you keep the line number one, so the entire JavaScript code you have to write in a strict way. But sir, I don't want to force JavaScript to use the strict mode for entire code. I need to make this strict code for only a piece of logic, nothing but a specific function. Then you can write inside the function as a first line. Okay, so this is something two different ways. Yeah, see here line number 54, I clearly mentioned how to enable strict mode for a whole file and inside only one function only. Okay, I just now given one example. Yeah, this is what the example I given. Okay, and one more example, guys. I'll give it here. One more example. So let's do this. Let x is equal to 100. Now, will it show any error?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Nice.
sir.
Nice. What is x here?
100.
100. Like
No.
variable.
It's a variable. Can I say identifier?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you identify it like this?
No.
No, should not start with digit. Hope you recall. Right.
Error.
Hope you recall. Right. And can I declare like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
And no, sir.
Special
No, sir.
symbols.
only
special
two
symbols.
no. Dollar and
Yes, sir.
underscore no. Right. Now, can I declare like this?
No, sir. Reserve.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, it's a reserved word. No. Let's run it. Yeah, it will show you guys the error. See, unexpected strict mode. That's what reserved word you are using it. Let's remove this guy. Let's remove this guy and run it. Okay, and anyhow, you'll get another different error. But yeah, whenever you do strict mode, yeah, guys, it will not allow you to do it. So I think this makes sense, right? What is the strict mode will do, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Maybe I can show you one more thing. What I was doing here, guys, what I was doing.
Passing
Passing
parameters.
Pyramid.
Suggest you take two parameters, 10 and 20, and you are doing console dot of x comma y. Fine. Now what I was doing.
Passing same arguments.
Is it possible generally? Right? Definitely, if it is a
No.
two argument, we have to give two different, right? But see, guys, still we are getting the error here. I mean, we are not getting the error. This is definitely, a big confusion to the developer. I told you, JavaScript has a lot of loopholes. Right? Then, if you want to avoid it, just say use strict. Okay, let's run it, and definitely, guys, you'll get one error. See, duplicate parameter name not allowed in this context. I given 2 to 3 examples. Okay, but ensure that if you write a strict mode in the first line, so we can say our JavaScript code is has more secure and clean, and it follows some rules. The strict rules it follow. Simple. Hope it's clear, everyone. What is strict mode and how we can enable it? How many ways we can enable it? Make sense,
Yes, sir.
guys?
Sir,
I'm not going
sir,
fast.
can we use inside the function?
That's what we can use this inside a function also. But in this case now, if you use inside the function, I'm sure it won't work because you're doing the
Yes, sir,
pathing
sir.
outside the function only, right? Right.
Okay,
Let's try
sir,
this. Let's try this. Yeah, it's working guys for this also. Okay. Okay, fine. Guys, hope these two topics are clear.
Yes, sir.
What are two timer functions?
Set interval.
Set interval.
Set
What is the common syntax for both?
Argument in milliseconds. Argument
How
and
many arguments? No, for two functions.
Two arguments. Two arguments.
What is the first argument?
Callback and time.
A callback, nothing but just remember a function definition. A function definition. And the second argument is, a time in milliseconds you have to pass it. Okay. Right. Chalo guys, let's jump to, modules. It's not new to you.
Sir,
It's not new. Yes.
sir, if you write I use strict in one function, it will up to that only one function, sir.
Yes.
Not go
That's
beyond
what
that.
limitation. Yes, exactly. Now, if you see this code base, yeah, where is it? Yeah, if you see this code base, Now let's say if I write one more function, and if I write some bad syntax or bad code, it will allow. This two function will allow because it's under strict mode. Got it?
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Kavya.
can I use it in a 2 times in a code?
Yes, yes. You can happily use it like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Like one in the
Hmm,
function and oneself it's like
No,
calling.
no. See, if you want to write this way, so this does not make sense, right? If you write in first line itself, right, it will apply for entire JavaScript code, correct? Correct,
Yes,
Kavya?
sir.
Okay. So, and you can ask me, sir, which one is recommended. I'll recommend it absolutely the first one, this one. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So I think let's jump to a new topic, something, modules. This is not new to you, I'm sure. In C, don't you know what is header file concept? Hey, in C, array, stdio.h, man. I'm talking about
Yes, sir.
stdio.h, method.h. And if you are a Java background, don't you know
Lang.
Java.lang?
Packages.
Yes. I'm talking about the same thing. Okay. So in Java, there's a topic called header files. Examples are this, right? In C. In Java, we call it as package,
Packages.
right? And the packages are java.lang. Tell me some packages.
Java
Java
dot
dot
util
util
dot
Java.util, java.io,
dot
right?
io.
Correct. So many packages are there. And in Python, hey, those are from Python background. Anyone? In Python also, I think we call it as modules, right? If I'm not wrong. Anyone from Python background?
Import,
Yes, sir.
Yes. Not
Im-
imports. I'm talking about modules. Yeah, we do
math,
import.
math.
Correct. Yes, absolutely. We do, math, and I remember we do file, right?
Yes.
Yes, we do file, and I remember we do have some, keywords, right? So many things are there, right? Guys, the same topic is there in JavaScript. That topic is called modules. Am I clear now? What is meant by module? Hey guys,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now let me introduce you now. What is module now? In a simple terminology. 1 second. This will be the first line of code in React. If you don't know modules, there is no chance that you'll be understanding something in React. There is no chance. So please, guys, tell to your friends, without this session, don't attend React sessions. You cannot understand. Okay. So please tell your friends that no, the session is mandatory to revise. So I'll be writing some logic here. Let x is equal to 10. Let y equal to some 200. Constant z is equal to some 300. Okay. And the function uh, one doing something console.log dot say it's doing some action one. Okay. And let's create one more function saying something function 2. Second. Let's keep it here. Let uh, my let my ob1 equaled and let's say method 1 function. Hey, at the end you have to tell me what I was doing everything here. Let's say action 3. Let me write last one. function. Let's say a book ID name. This dot ID equal to ID. This dot name equal to name. Yeah, I think almost I'm done. Right. Let's decrease this to 16. I think it's very small. It's 20. Yeah, this is looking good. Guys, imagine the line number 1. Okay, line number 1. I was writing something. See, yeah, it's an external JavaScript file, guys. Up to here, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
external
Yes, sir.
JavaScript. Now tell me what members are there here. How many members are there? We'll go one by one. First one is first two are
X.
variables.
Variable.
Clear? Right. Next one is
Constants.
nice. And the next two,
Function.
yes, next two are functions. Function 1 and 2. Okay. Next one is
Object.
but inside object, what I written?
Method.
Methods.
And what is the difference between the function method?
Method means inside function.
A method inside object. You should say.
Function
Okay.
inside the objects.
Function
Uh-huh.
inside the object.
Okay. The last one. What is the last one?
Constructor.
Nice. You should say it's a function constructor. Naming convention. See, it starts with function keyword, right? And I told you it should start with uppercase. Guys, are able to recall? Guys, are able
Yes,
to
sir.
recall? The last one
Yes,
is function constructor. So how many parameters are there? 2, right? So 2 times you
sir.
should put this dot ID and this dot name equal to name. Sorry.
Calling using this.
Right. So yeah, I missed it. Yeah, this dot name equal to name, how to write it. Guys, just imagine this is your external JavaScript file. One external JavaScript file. And this external JavaScript file, the file name is chanty.js. The file name is chanty.js, right? So in this project, this assume in this project, other files also there. The files are 1.js, okay, 2.js, and 3.js. So imagine guys, in your project, totally 4 JavaScript files are there. The first file name is chanty.js. Second is 1.js, third one is 2.js, and next is 3.js. Now the use case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 members I prepared in chanty.js. 7 members. 7 members. 7 members. These 7 members, assume these 7 members are keep on used by this 123.js. Whatever the 7 members I return, okay, sir, keep on using by these 3 JavaScript files, guys. Are you clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
In that case, we have to say chanty.js is an one module. Module is nothing but a library now. See, if general library, if you think in your college library, what are there? Books are there, right? Inside the library. And
Sir,
1, 2,
it's
3.js is
like a user package.
correct. Absolutely. That's what I was discussing. It's a package simply. Chanty.js is a package in Java terminology. Chanty.js is a header file in C terminology. Chanty.js is a module in Python terminology. And in JavaScript also we call it as it's a module. Python and JavaScript has, same sync word. It's a module. A module is nothing but reusable code. We are keeping it here. I'll repeat, in a module, we will keep a reusable code. Reusable in the sense, this chanty.js, XYZ, fun1, fun2, myobj, book, all are used by this 123.js files. Just imagine, chanty.js is your library. 1, 2, 3 are, students. What student will do? They'll go to the library and they'll read the books. I hope this will make sense up to here. What is my module? A module nothing but external JavaScript file, which has reusable code. Make sense? The definition of module?
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat one more time. A module is nothing but an external JavaScript file which has a reusable logic. A logic can be a variables, a logic can be a functions, a logic can be a method, a logic can be a function constructor. Up to here, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay, nice. Let's talk about something, these members. How many members are there?
7.
7.
Now, I just now use a word, sir, they are reusable. Unless if we use a keyword, if we use a keyword, the keyword name is export, this member is not, sorry, not the other files, guys. I'll repeat one more time. Unless you write a keyword called something export before the member, okay, before the member, that member is not reusable to 123.js. Now, guys, I'll be writing export. I'll be writing export for only the few members. I'll be writing the export for only the few members, not all 7 members. Now, in this context, we can say y is not visible to 123.js. Fun2 also same, it's not visible. I mean, it cannot access. Does that make sense? When to use export keyword?
Yes, sir.
Hey, guys, in first day of React code, you can see the word exports and import. So it should not surprise me.
Sir,
Are you
one
clear?
more time.
Sure,
Explain.
sure. How many members are there? 7, right? Right. In members are there 7 models. And as I using the word, it's a reusable logic. But unless if I use the export keyword, there won't be a reusable. Now I should say y and fun2 are not reusable. Y and fun2 are not reusable because there's no export keyword. I declared it. So a export member can only be imported to 123.js files. And there's one more keyword I'll be using. The keyword is something, import now. Guys, I'll be using one more keyword now. The keyword name is something, import now. So import is used to use a module member. Import is a keyword is used to, access a module. Export is used to declare a member as, it's a reusable to other JavaScript files. I think these 2 keywords, I think everyone clear. See, I'll be using in 1. Guys, in 1.js, I want to use X now. In 1.js, I want to use X now. So the code goes like this, guys. Import, wait, my bad. Yes, wait. I think my internet is not stable. Wait. Yeah, I think my internet is stable now. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so my requirement is I want to use X in 1.js now. So the code goes like this, guys. Let import X from dot slash Chanti. So there are 3 more keywords are there. This is special syntax that you have not seen C, CPP or Python. It's definitely new. Maybe I'll decode this line by line. See, first of all, import is a keyword, from is a keyword. Okay, both are keyword like your export, guys. Maybe I'll use same sky blue color, so now everyone will be in sync. They are the keywords. Now what is X?
Very
Hey, no, it's a member.
Member of module.
Member. And what is Chanti?
Module name.
Right. So the meaning of this is we are importing X from Chanti module. It's like English, guys. Read it. Importing X from Chanti module. Guys, do you really feel difficult?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Tell me now, how can I access, similar way? Wait. Similar way. 1 second. Let's take this as something not 3 now. Yeah. Similar way, can you explain me how can I use book? How can I use book in 2.js?
import book.
Import
Hmm.
book
Book from Chan.
Book from
Chanty dot
Chanty,
Chanty
that's it.
Chanty.
You need not to declare the dot.js. Just say Chanty. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, everyone are in sync now? What am I modules? In
Yes,
modules,
sir.
we use two keywords, imports and exports. When do you use export? Tell me what you understood. When to use export?
If
You
we
use it.
want to use in another JS files,
Correct. If you make a member which is reusable by other JavaScript files, then declare a keyword called export.
export.
Okay, next. When do you use import?
We
After
want
sir.
to access the
Correct.
module
Yeah.
variables or functions.
Module member.
Module
Yeah,
member, we can
Huh.
use import.
Right. In a JavaScript file, if you want to access other module members, then you have to use import keyword. Now in 2.js, I want to access fun2 also. Tell me, can we access fun2 in 2.js?
No,
Can
sir.
we access
No,
fun2 in book.js? No.
no,
Why?
sir.
Why?
Because
We are
export is not there.
I should say, sir, it's not exportable. Okay. Now, can I access my obj1? I mean, yeah, can I access my obj1?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
My obj1. But tell me, in the syntax, how many members I'm using, one or two?
Two.
Two.
If there are two, keep them in flower brace.
Curly braces, sir.
Yes. You understood, guys? When to use curly brace now? Everyone, guys, are you following when to use flower brace?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do practically this. Let's do practically this. So what I have explained so far, this is your external JavaScript. Nothing but a module. A module is nothing but one external JavaScript file which has some reusable logic. Now if you see this in this context, okay, I have other two JavaScript files. I have other two JavaScript files. So in other JavaScript files, we are using this, the member like this guys. By using import keyword, we can access it. Maybe let's mark this down. Yeah, we'll do guys as this one example now. Okay. And I cannot explain you this in my local machine. Okay, even in online also, I cannot explain this because some other libraries I have to include here, right? But yeah, I'll show you the example. Yeah, from Monday onwards, our React will start, right? Even React also, I'll show you the installation maybe later, maybe after first week, because first week entirely we will doing the React programs on online compiler. The reason I'll tell you, okay, because it will take a lot of your memory in the
Sir,
initial days. Yes.
sir, we can access entire module in another JS files.
Everything I'll show you. Okay, so guys, what I was explaining now, I'll be showing you a React online compiler. In React compiler itself, I'll show you this member now. I mean, I'll show you this example, whatever I have explained. This is as it is, I'll explain now. Okay. Right. So simply what you need to do is just type online, or else guys, I'll suggest you one website, StackBlitz. StackBlitz is a one online compiler tool for React. We have plenty, but I'll suggest you to use it. Just type StackBlitz plus React. Guys, take a note, please. Because the next entire week I'll be using only this website. StackBlitz compiler. Hey, I'll show you offline also, don't worry. Okay, but this will be fast actually. Okay, it won't take our more system memory. Okay, yeah. See, just you need a internet. That's it. See, click on the first link. Click on the first link. Okay. Yeah, you'll get a online editor. So there are three portions as you can see. Three parts. So the portion one is your files, all your project files, and the part two is your code. Okay, and portion three, the output of your code. Are you clear? Three parts of this website.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Now just follow me, guys. Just follow me what I was doing, and don't focus on this all the files and all. Okay, just follow me. Okay. Now line number 4 in app.js. Hey, don't ask me what is app.js and this piece of code now because it's a React code, but you can understand few things here. Okay, you can understand few things here. Just imagine, just imagine guys, line number 4, just imagine line number 4 is your main function in Java. Just imagine, it's a main function. In Python also can it's a main, can see main function because our entire JavaScript code will run from here only. Okay, your entire JavaScript code will run from here only. As soon as you do any changes, guys, as you do any changes, you need not type Control S as well. It will do auto save, and you can see the output here. So simply see, hello stack bridge is a message is there, right? I'll be writing hello Chanti. You type hello Chanti is a little bit displayed here. Okay. Now I'll show you the the module concept here. Now example. Are you able to see SRC folder left side?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you know the first plus symbol what it will do?
I
Folder, folder in
Yeah.
SRC.
First file by folder, not folder. First
File.
plus is for file. Okay. Now as it is I was writing. What is it? I just now explain. What is it? Module,
Module.
right?
Module.
It's a module. Now I'll be writing function do some n1 comma n2 return n1 plus n2 then n1 and n2. Let me zoom it. Yeah. Do cube. Let's say n1 n return n times n times n. Guys, tell me what I did so far. Very simple code, guys. Return.
Created two functions.
function.
Are they reusable to other JavaScript files?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why?
Export.
We are not export.
Simple. You can say, sir, they are not no export. So just say export and just say export. Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are reusable members. Correct? They are reusable members. Maybe I can add one more also. Export function functioning. Let's say something author. Guys, what is it? Guys, what is
Function
it?
constructor.
What is the use of function constructor? What is use of function constructor? Any chance if anyone recall? To create user-defined functions. I mean objects. Right? To create user-defined objects. Guys, up to your clear I created 3 members in Chanti.js. It's a module now. We should say it's a module now. Sir, how? Why you are saying it's a module? Array, I'm using export keyword. If I use export keyword, yeah, this file is called as something, a module, because a module nothing but it's a reusable JavaScript file. Up to here clear, everyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, nice. What is app.js? Explain. It's a main or execution. React execution starts from main. I mean, the file name is app.js. Now in app.js, I'm line number 4. Guys, now I want to use doCube function. I want to use doCube function in app.js. Yeah, right. Okay. I'll repeat. In app.js, I want to use this doCube function. Tell me the code.
Import do cube file.
Import doCube
From
from in single quotes. Okay.
Dot
Put a dot and then
slash
slash
Chanti.
Chanti.
right Chanti. 1 second, guys. Yeah, I think it's done. Okay, it's done. So I was imported it. Sir, how do I use it? Simple. You can let's take one paragraph. Guys, you're not surprising, right? Line 10. Hey, you're not surprising, right?
No,
Line number
sir.
10. This is definitely a surprise because you don't know this. Okay, you don't know this. Just it's a kind of interpolation you can imagine. 1 second, guys. In general, it's not a default function. Wait. Think something went wrong. Wait. Okay, I understood what was missing here. Yeah, I'll tell you guys why I did correction. I'll tell you later. But line number 10, what I did, I took a paragraph, okay? And it's a kind of interpolation, you remember. And there's no dollar we use, okay? There's no dollar we use in React. In interpolation, what I was doing, I was calling a do cube and I'm passing 5, returning 125. Guys, in this context, don't get confused with the React code. Focus on module concept. Step number 1, I created a model. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Step number 2, line number 4 is very important. What I did, line number 4?
Accessing from
We
module.
imported a do cube from Sentinel.
Correct. A
Modules.
module able to access it here properly. And line number 10, we are accessing that member. See, we are running 125. Now, tell me, I want to use do sum also. I want to access do sum also here. How?
Import.
Can I do some slide like this? Will it work?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So I'm taking one. Guys, please, please practice it because I'll be using same kind of editor from Monday. Okay, so whatever example I was showing, please practice it. So I was passing 5, 7, you can see 12. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can show you one more interesting thing now. SRC plus, yeah, what I did? Guys, what I did?
Created
created
one
another
model.
Yeah, one more module, sir, you created it. The name is Rakesh. Okay, now let's say function name something, let's say do simple interest PTR return P times T times R times by 100. Okay, so now tell me in this model, how many members are there?
Oh, one member.
Only one member. Now, sir, I written only, one member. I written only one member and I have only one member. I am not supposed to adding any other member in this file. In that case, guys, you can say export default, guys. The meaning of this, guys, the meaning of this export default means it's a meaning, the meaning of this. I have only one member, which is, exportable. I have only one member, that is something, exportable. I think, guys, maybe, yeah, I think only one member. Now let's go to the app.js. Now tell me, how do I use it? Do simple interest here.
Import
Hmm?
simple interest.
Yeah, do simple interest. Hmm.
From Rakesh.
From //
Rakesh.
Rakesh, right? And then take on tag flower basis. Do this. Let's pass some parameters, and close it paragraph guys. See, yeah, some value you can see it. Now I'll tell you the differences, guys. Earlier you got one error message, right? I mean, when I use one member, not flower basis is not working because it's not a default member. So for default members, guys, the flower basis is not required. For default members, the flower basis is not required. Maybe I can show you a quick example. Let's say ram.js. I'll copy this piece. I'll paste it here. Let's say returning, one message. One message. The function name is returning, one. Let's say one more function, something like 2. Need to function. And let's use, what called default So a default, right? And let's get into the app.js. Now let's say import. The function name is ram, right? So one from single quotes dot slash and just say ram. Is it something here? Yes. Yeah. This is what I think message what is repeated. Here I'm getting two, man. Wait. My bad. My bad, guys. Let me correct this. Okay. So what I was saying, let's go to Chandri.js. Guys, if a module has multiple members, if a module has, multiple members, to declare something, a export keyword. And one more thing, this export keyword, you can also write at the end also, guys. You can also at the end also like this. Do some, okay. You can write, do you, and you can write author also. 1 second. Think. Then I think there is not DQ. 1 second. I think the syntax, I think the wrong way that I was mentioning.
We can use flower braces, sir.
Wait. I think I was doing something wrong. Wait. Export. This is fine. Whatever I explained. This is also fine. After single function, we use this. I think I was messed to you. Fine, guys. I think Rakesh.js thing not at all it's required. So let me summarize this. Let's take this code revert. Stay on, the first version which I have explained. Okay, don't get confused. So this is, the way to create a module members. Okay, and yeah, and this is as it is, guys. So if you have a single member, okay, if you have a single member, you can directly at export default. So export default tell that this ram.js has only one function, and guys, this is the way to use it. And yeah, line number 5, if you see, yeah, we declared no export default, right? That's the reason the flower base is not optional. If any member is declared with export default, the flower is not optional. I mean, flower base is not mandatory. You can directly write this way. Line number 1, wait, I can show you one more last example. I can show you the last example. Function student ID name city s.id equal to id this dot name equal to name this dot city equal to city this dot get equal to function return yeah I returned some message. It's okay. Now what is it? A function? Guys, what is it? A function constructor, correct? Having how many
Function
members? How many members? Four,
No,
no? Four.
one
ID,
member.
name, city, and wish. ID, name, city, and wish. Right? Now, is it exportable?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So what I was saying, we can also do this way, guys. What I was saying, we can also do this way. Okay. So yeah, you can write this code in the beginning. Okay. You can write the code in the beginning, or guys, you can write the code at last also. Right. So yeah, the reason why I'm writing default because it's only one number that I wish to export. Only one number I wish to export. Make sense up to here? Make sense up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, how do I use this student here?
Import. Import.
Hmm.
Student
Capital letter.
from
From
student
Small or capital?
small.
more.
Can you see line number 1 and 6? Did you compare, please? Line number 1 and 6. What is line number 1 now? Same, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what I was saying from beginning. Today's session is very important to understand the React concepts. So student, I created it, right? I created a one function constructor, and this, why we read dot slash tell that dot is a current directory. Dot is nothing but your src folder, okay, and slash student nothing but you are accessing student.js properties in this file. Okay, this is user defined module. This is user defined module. Are you agree why I'm saying it's a user defined module?
Yes, sir.
Now, line number 1, if you see React, do we have a dot slash?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So 1 second, guys. Back is calling 1 second. Yeah, okay, guys, I'm back. So I'll repeat this. Line number 6, it's a user-defined module. Agree? Why I'm saying it's a user-defined module? Guys, am
Yes,
I
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Line number 1, it's a predefined module. Nothing but in C, stdio.h is a ready-made library. Everyone agree, right? And in Java is also a ready-made library, right? Everyone should agree. Similarly, in React.js, React is also one ready-made module. And from this module, I'm accessing this a function constructor here. Am I clear? Line number 1 and line number 6.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, everyone. Okay. Thing, yeah. And you know how to create an object for the student constructor, right? Let's student1. Okay, let's student1 equal to, you remember we use a new keyword and we should pass how many parameters? 3, right? ID, name, and I recall city also. I recall something, no, city also, right? City also. Three things we need to pass it, right? Because I created a constructor. Now let's say I want to access them. Let's take a bold tag, bold tag. Just tell me, how do I access the name? I want to access student name. What should I? Hey, I want to access the
Flower
student name.
braces.
Hmm?
Student
One dot name,
name.
right? So you can see this. I think why it is showing rockish error, guys. I think it's not
No
removed from
file.
the cache. Yeah. But I deleted
It's
it.
Rakesh.
Where it is there, Rakesh?
Too simple in
Pick the line.
Oh, am I deleted that? Acha, I
Yes, sir.
think guys wrongly, I deleted it. Instead of deleting Ram, I deleted Rakesh. Okay, fine. That's fine. I'll remove this. Okay. Yeah, but you can see this output. Do simple interest not defined. Why? Oh, I was calling here, right? Okay. Guys, you can see Ajay. So everyone aligned, right? So whatever I have discussed so far.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, please don't take it as easy. Practice it so that you'll be seeing with me on Monday. Okay. And yeah, tomorrow I'll be taking a session for doubts. I'm sure. Okay. And the timing 6 to 7 I'll mention to Soumya ma'am and she will update you. That is for queries. That is for only queries. And also maybe I can spend more 5 minutes for the last one topic. Last one topic is that ECMAScript. ECMAScript. I'll tell you what is ECMAScript in a simple way. Guys, you know JNTU, right? In Hyderabad. What is JNTUH in Hyderabad? Hey, I'm asking
University.
simple.
College.
Yes,
Jawaharlal.
university. Correct.
University.
So I studied in WITS. Okay, it's a college, one college. Let's just imagine it's a one college. Okay, which is a one college. Let's say one more college with something, beds. Just an imagine. Let's one more college. One more college. One more college. Let's take one more college. Let's something, JITS. Something, it's a one more college, guys. So we know that JN2H is, one university, right? Let's say it's, a university. So, and if you see on the down, I create, 3 colleges. So these 3 colleges should, I mean, before that, why we call it as university? Because university will give some standards, right? University will give, some standards. Wait, yeah. University will give some standards to all its colleges. Standards in the sense, let's say syllabus, right? Syllabus and subjects, exam timetable, holidays timetable, everything is given by this JNTH only, right? So JNTH is give some standards to all its respective colleges. Is this clear, everyone? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
All right. Similarly, guys, now you learn JavaScript. I mean, you're done with the JavaScript actually. Okay, not JavaScript, guys. We do have something, action script. We have to do something, action script. And we do have something, Python script. Python script, Perl script. Like that, guys, there are so many scripting languages are there. I'll repeat, there are so many scripting languages like, colleges. There are so many scripting languages in the market. Not only one, we do have so many scripting languages, guys, like, JScript, ActionScript, Python script, Perl script, like, so many scripting languages are there. Now, the question is, who gives standards to all these scripting languages? Standard in the sense rules, guys. Standard in the sense something, rules. So who will give? That is something, your ECMAScript. That is something, your ECMAScript. So ECMAScript is a international standard. Okay, ECMAScript, an international standard. What it will do here is it will provide standards to all the scripting languages. Now, JavaScript is one of the scripting language, guys. Now we learn so many concepts, right? Like, let keyword. Example I was telling. Let keyword we learn, var keyword we learn, function constructors we learn, and modules we learn. Let's say arrow function, IIFE, like there, so many concepts we learn in JavaScript. Like for all this concept, guys, the rules is given by ECMAScript. So ECMAScript abbreviation is European Company Manufacture Association. European Company Manufacture Association. Okay, and in short form, guys, we call it as ES. In short form, guys, we have to call it as ES. ES stands for ECMAScript. ES stands for ECMAScript. Now, what is the current Java version you are using? Those are from Java background.
8.
Okay. And Python, which version you are using? Hey, no one is there from Python background here. Strange. Okay, now you understood the question, right? So I'm asking a Java or Python version. Similarly, your ECMAScript also, guys. We have some version, ECMAScript 5. Okay, ECMAScript 6. Like that, no? ECMAScript 7. Like in each version, guys, they are introducing some new features. They are introducing something, new features. So in each version, they are releasing some new features. And once they release any feature, the feature is available for all the JavaScript languages, guys. Let's say JN2H has passed one new rule. The rule is applicable for all the colleges. Agree, everyone? Agree.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in any new version, okay, ECMAScript 7 or 8 or 9, if a new concept is introduced, the topic is available for all the scripting languages, guys. Now I'll be sending one document to you today. Okay, one around 2 to 3 pages, not more than that. Okay, so this is something ECMAScript. So yeah, we call it as ES, guys. So what it will do here is, can you see this? It's a standard or something, set of rules that defines how JavaScript programming language should work. Okay, so if you see this, you can understand. This only one line is enough to understand what is ECMAScript. See, JavaScript is a language. You're clear, right? And ECMAScript is a rule book. A rule book is nothing but here some rules are defined how to use JavaScript features. Okay. Now, yeah. So this is initially started in 1997. And there's a I think if you go down, yeah, guys, did we learn strict mode today? Did we learn strict mode today?
Yes, sir.
It is from which version?
ES5.
Did you learn let, constant, arrow functions, and modules?
Yes, sir.
These are from which version?
ES6.
You understood, right? What is ECMAScript now?
Yes, sir.
And you learn also Farish also, right? And yeah, I think guys you understood on high level what is ECMAScript, correct? Guys, you understood or not? Still you're in dilemma. This is the best comparison, I should say. Okay, yeah. So guys, I think I'm done for whatever the concepts I planned. So today I explained only 4 concepts. Timer functions 2, strict mode, models, the only 3 keywords you need to remember, imports and exports. Please practice it in Slack batch, don't forget. And the last topic I have explained something, ECMAScript. And yeah, tomorrow also I was planning a session for only doubts. So you can take this as a complete index. I'll forward this index as well today. Okay. So come up with your questions, guys. So tomorrow I'll answer for all your queries. Okay. That's all for today. From Monday onwards, your React will be starts. Any queries? I'm about to close.
No, sir.
Okay then. Bye, guys. Thanks for your time.
That's